In this video, you'll learn how to clone popular apps using Claude Code. This guide will break down the process into manageable steps, allowing you to understand how to replicate complex applications effectively. The first step involves breaking the app into systems. For instance, if you want to clone applications like Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, recognize that every significant app has fundamental components. These include authentication, database management, core features, optional real-time system storage, payment processing if needed, and notifications. Simplifying your approach will help you focus on these essential systems without overcomplicating the process. Next, it's crucial to use Claude Code correctly. A common mistake is to use vague prompts, such as asking Claude to build an Instagram clone. This type of request often yields unsatisfactory results. Instead, break the app down into micro features. For example, if you want to create an Instagram-style app, you would prompt Claude with specific requests. You might start with creating an authentication system using JTT and bcrypt, followed by establishing, post model with an image URL and caption, and then creating a route to upload images using Malta. Moving on, it is important to clone by architecture. Each common app has its own core components. For an Instagram or TikTok clone, you should focus on user accounts, media upload, feed, likes, comments, follows, and real-time notifications. Ask Claude for each piece separately to ensure you get detailed outputs. For example, you could prompt Claude to create a timeline algorithm that shows posts from followed users ordered by date for a Twitter clone, or request a website server using socket.io for real-time chat for a WhatsApp clone. Establishing a proper folder structure is the fourth step. Utilize a consistent pattern for any clone project, such as models, routes, controllers, middleware, services, and utils. You can ask Claude to generate a scalable folder structure for a production Node.js app, which will help keep your project organized and manageable. The fifth step involves understanding the reality about scaling applications while cloning. The user interface of popular apps can be straightforward. Scaling those applications is considerably more challenging. Popular applications utilize microservices, caching solutions like Redis, content delivery networks, load balancers, and horizontal scaling. Claude can assist in generating parts of your application, but it is essential for you to comprehend the overall architecture to ensure success. Finally, consider adopting a smart strategy. Instead of attempting to clone the entire app at once, focus on building a minimum viable product, or MVP. Concentrate on the authentication system, core feature, and basic user interface before deploying. After the initial launch, you can iterate and expand upon your application based on user feedback and requirements.